Graham County in northwestern Georgia, Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, Heard County in west-central Georgia, northwestern Troup County in west-central Georgia, western Coahuila County in west-central Georgia, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Edwardsville to near Morrison Crossroads to near Tennant to Miley, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and heavy-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include LaGrange, Carrollton, Franklin, Villa Rica, Bremen, Temple, Calatusa, Bowdoin, Mount Zion, Whitesburg, Waco, Ephesus, Centralia, Rouville, Corinth, Plant Eaves, Seton Lake, Fairplay, Clem, and Abilene. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.